Hey guys, well, do I have to stuff my teeth? Do I have to stuff my teeth? Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this is really fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I've talked about this a lot to my friends and my husband, and they all think it's a great idea. I am so excited about this, but I think you guys will see why in just a minute. These seem to be the best videos on my channel, y'all. Like, you guys like to see my face get messed up. That's rude. So what this is a new series. It's going to be weekly. But on top of that, I'm going to be creating a recap video for you guys in case you missed the live version. I will be recapping all the best highlighted parts of the live one and put it into a video so everyone can watch it. So what it is, it's my new Sabotage series. What does that mean? I'll let you know. It is basically sabotaging my face. I will be doing a premiere 30 minutes or an hour, I don't know, probably 30 minutes before I go live. And I will be coming on here live every either Saturday or Sunday. So it'll be Sabotage Saturday or Sabotage Sunday. And I will be coming on live, and you guys will be telling me what, how, when, and where to apply makeup and basically sabotage my face every single week. The makeup community is full of drama, and I'm pretty sure everyone would like a much needed escape from that drama. So, welcome to the series where you get to come and participate in having me do whatever you tell me to do to my face. After all, I'm just gonna clean it all off anyways, so it's not a big deal. It is not that deep, drama community. So here's basically what's gonna happen. We are gonna start live. And I am going to come on here and I would be like, okay, you guys, let's apply makeup. Let's do this. And basically, I will ask you guys, what would you like me to do as I go through each makeup step? And I'm pretty much going to pick the worst one or the one that makes me laugh the most, because that's what we need. We all need a good laugh. We need to relax. We need some wine. And we just need to watch someone put red lipstick all over their face instead of foundation. Or apply all the powders and then apply the creams afterwards. You bring your worst, and I will fulfill your craziest makeup dreams. On me. You're welcome. It's a good thing I'm almost an esthetician, because, I mean, it's probably going to be some comedogenic products going on. Parts of my face where they should not be. Now, there are rules. I know y'all are probably thinking, put ketchup in your hair as conditioner. No, that's not going to happen. So there is rules. First, I will be only applying makeup products to my face. Just makeup. There will be no food involved or toothpaste or body lotion. None of that is going to be involved. It's just going to be straight up makeup, as well as anything that you actually apply makeup with. So because of that, I will be sitting at my desk and I have everything I need. All the makeup that I have in my beauty room will be at my disposal, and every single kind of makeup applicator will be around me. Setting sprays, makeup remover, moisturizers, primers, every other makeup item you can think of will all be accessible to me. I will obviously not cause myself bodily harm or eat anything. Like, that's not what this is about. And since I am doing it live, I will not be moving, unless it's get more wine, from this spot. So if you guys ask me to do something like apply your eyeshadow with a toothbrush or use toilet paper to apply your foundation, I mean, that's something that I won't do. It has to be stuff that's accessible at my desk, which I previously mentioned. I will have everything except toilet paper and a toothbrush. I'm sorry. But other than that, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see that I have the premiere coming up in 30 minutes. So as soon as my live hits, you guys can be all ready to go to sabotage the crap out of me. I give you guys full reign I will do whatever you tell me to do, if it is the worst one or the most hilarious one. I cannot wait to see what you guys come up with. This Saturday or Sunday will be my first Sabotage series, so make sure to keep an eye out for it. And once again, I will be putting out basically a large blooper reel afterwards, so in case you missed the live, you guys can catch up with that and get all the high points. But I can't wait to see you in my live feed, and I will see you guys, hopefully, in that, but in my next video. Oh, P.S. if you guys like this look, this tutorial will be up probably tomorrow after this video. So keep an eye out for that as well. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!